Well, so this is my last video from lesson number 1, that is exercise work. So I am going to explain what to write in that answer, and that will help you to solve this exercise, and soon I will send you the PDF file of the question and answer. But you should try to solve some questions which are very easy to solve. So make a note for this uh, exercise, write date, and whenever you are solving this, write date, then heading, make an heading, and start doing work. Now see the exercise page on your textbooks. That is, now first question is here. You have to write, use the Whittaker method to classify bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, prokaryotic and eukaryotic microorganisms. So here you have to write an classification of microorganism which is given in your textbook. So microorganisms are classified into two types, that is prokaryotic and eukaryotic. The bacteria, fungi, algae, and viruses. So these you have to write in the first question. Now see the second, which is very easy and you have in your textbook, that is a classification of microorganism, just a classification of microorganism. Now see the second question, complete the five kingdom method of classification using living organism, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animals, plant, and fungi. So here you are having a flow chart in which some unfilled blocks are there. So you have to fill by remembering or by memorizing this classification, and this classification of living organism or the five kingdom system of classification also given in your textbook. This is that one. So you have to fill the unfilled block only. So here you are having living organism. So here come the prokaryote, here come the eukaryote, then unicellular is given. Here. So in prokaryote, unicellular, the kingdom Monera come. Okay. Now see this classification. You have to fill that question number 2 like this. So no need to write this whole. Just write the kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Animalia. Okay. So I hope you understand this question number 2. Now question 3. This is the match the pair, find out my partner. So here's giving the kingdoms, different kingdoms, and there is a examples of that kingdom. So you are having these examples in your textbook. So you should try to find fungi. For example, fungi, and you are having a picture of fungi, that is a candida in your textbooks. So you can find out the example of these kingdoms, different organisms examples. So try to solve this 3 question by your own, and the question answer I will send through the PDF files. Okay, now see question 4, that is, state whether the following statement are true or false. Explain your statement. Now in this question you have to explain the sentence is true or false. If it is false, then why? Okay. Now first is lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. So understand first. Explain already the bacteria, the fungi, algae, etc. All the points I have completed in this lesson. So you know very well bacteria, lactobacillus is a useful bacteria, not a harmful bacteria. You know the curd, जो मिल्क से दही बनता है, that is because of the presence of lactobacillus bacteria. And curd, dahi, which is very useful and very good for our health. So that first one is false, means lactobacilli are a useful bacteria. Okay. Now cell wall of fungi is made up of a chitin. Yes, that is also true, which I explained in the characteristics of the fungi. Third one is organ of locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. So you know what it is, true or false, you should write it. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. It is also explained in the previous lecture. Okay, viruses you should try to solve, try to write. Okay, now fifth question, give the answer. And first one is the state the merit of Whitaker's method of classification. And this is also I given the homework in my previous lecture, so hope you have done the homework. Just this homework write in your textbook. The merits of Whitaker's classification. मेरिट्स मीन द एडवांटेजेस, उसके फ़ायदे क्या है, उसने जो पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, इट इज़ ट्रू और नॉट, विच इज़ गुड और नॉट, हेल्पफुल है या नहीं, वो आपको इसमें लिखना है. हाँ, सीधा सेकेंड क्वेश्चन बी, राइट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ वायरसेस. ये भी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया जा चुका है, आपको सिर्फ वायरसेस के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वायरसेस आर द age between living or non-living. Viruses are very minute organism. The size is dash dash dash. You can write 5 to 4 points from your textbooks. Now see the question C. Explain the nutrition in fungi. Method of nutrition in fungi. You know the fungi is a saprophytic, means depending on decaying, so you should write it. Okay. D. Which living organism are included in the kingdom Monera? ये भी आपको पता होगा कि कौन सा ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो किंगडम मोनेरा में लिया गया है. एंड आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन द बैक्टीरिया आर द सोल मेंबर ऑफ द किंगडम मोनेरा. ओके, बट आई विल सेंड द PDF of this question. But question 1, question 2, question number 3 and question number 4 you have to write with your own, or for that you should listen the videos or the audios again and again, and you will get more information and you will solve this by your own. Okay, now see the question 6. Who am I? Okay, I don't have a two nucleus cell organelles or a plasma membrane. You know very well prokaryotic organism and eukaryotic organism. Why the prokaryotic is prokaryote, why the eukaryotic organism eukaryote. The reason you know, so you know very well, so you should write it. B. I have a nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. I think it is a eukaryotic organism. Okay, I live on decaying organic matter. Which organism eat decay matter? Okay, that is fungi only. I reproduce mainly by cell division. All the question is explained in the previous lecture. You will get each and every answer in the previous lecture. So please try to do this exercise on your own, then see the PDF which I will send soon. And after this, after getting this exercise video, I will take your online test, so be prepared. And remember one thing, the test will be on your exercise or on your whole video which you get. पूरी वीडियो के ऊपर जो आपको अभी तक मिली है, पूरे लेक्चर्स के ऊपर आपका टेस्ट रहेगा 20 मार्क्स का, और इस एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस भी उसमें रहेंगे. सो आपको वीडियोस को बार बार सुनना है, अच्छे से नोट करना है इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, और टेस्ट अच्छे से देना है. ओके, नाउ I can produce my replica. Who can reproduce replica? I think it is a viruses maybe. देखते आपको आता है या नहीं. I am green but don't have organs. Which organ is green and don't have an organ? You also know that. Now see the question 7. Draw neat and label diagrams. Okay, this diagram also have in your textbook, but they don't have the labels on it. So I will send a PDF file which have this diagram with labeling. Types of bacteria, I send it the coccus bacteria, the spirillum, the vibrio bacteria comma shape, then paramecium diagrams you have, then bacteriophage diagram I will send by the PDF file. Okay, question in arrange the following in ascending order of size: bacteria, fungi, viruses, algae. So from the minute size to the larger one, यानी सबसे छोटा इनमें से कौन सा है, बैक्टीरिया है या फंजाई है या वायरस है या अलगी है, वो आपको पहले लिखना है और उसके बाद उससे बड़ा करके लास्ट में जो आएगा सबसे बड़ा. आई थिंक लास्ट वन इज अलगी and first one is viruses, and between fungi and bacteria you have to find which one is यंगर बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. सो दिस होल वीडियो इज जस्ट बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सरसाइज वर्क. माई एम टू जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू what to write and how to write in the textbook. So question 1 2 3 4 5 4 you can write by your own. Even question number 6 you can write by your own. And question 7 8 and 5 I will send PDF file soon, and prepare yourself for the test. So here this video is in. Now first lesson is completed here. Now prepare test very well, which is maybe 20 marks based on your exercise plus your whole videos which I have explained to you. So good luck student, do well, take care of yourself. Okay, I hope you understand it.